Hi everyone! Today I'm going to show you how you can manage your project with Notion templates. So first we're going to start with an empty page, and this is a thing that I like to do. I like to turn on the small text and full width toggle. Next I'm going to add up the cover for my project management template. You can upload your own pictures if you want, or you can also use Unsplash to search out the pictures that you want. You can type out the keyword for the pictures that you want to put, let's say for example some floral patterns or some paintings, or you can just scroll down and try to see if any of the pictures available right here catches your eyes. So I ended up choosing this one as my cover pictures, and you can also reposition it if you want. I'm just going to leave it be, and I also like to add a symbol on the left corner of my templates just to spice things up a bit. Next, I'm going to name this template or this page as the project that I'm working with. For example, right here, I'm going to type out our project and tasks manager. Just a reminder, the templates of Task Manager that I've shown you in the beginning of the video is just going to be an inspiration for us. We're going to create a template that looks similar to that one. So now we're going to add another page to our dashboard, and to do that you can just simply type in slash and then type page, and it's going to create a new page for you. And I'm going to rename this page as project, which is where I'm going to see all of the project that I'm going to do. And then I'm going to add a gallery view for my project, and once I do that I'm going to go ahead and add plus a new database because I don't have any prior database that I can use as the base information for this project. And here I'm going to rename my database as project, and then I'm going to hide the title. The reason why you always have to rename your database before you hide the title is so that if you want to link this database to the other one, you will know which one you're searching for. Alright, so now I'm going to rename my gallery view as the ongoing project, and then I'm going to start and customize the first page of my project. So in this page I'm going to rename it as painting because that is one of the projects that I'm trying to finish. And then I'm going to change the date properties. You can see right here that I have a date properties, but it's named created. I'm going to name it as duration instead, and then I'm going to set up the date. Instead of showing only one date, I'm going to show the beginning and the end date. And this page comes with a tags property, so I'm going to go ahead and add up a tags for this project. To add more tags, you can just go ahead and type in, let's say this one, it says urgent, and then click on the urgent word and it's going to automatically add up tags. To add some more, you can just continue typing and then click on the words that you just type, and it's going to add up more tags. I also would like to add a status property. So to do that, I'm going to add more property and then choose the select property one, change the name to status, and I also going to change the symbol just so that it's going to represent status better. And then you can add up your status just like how you add up your tags by typing in the status that you want and then click on the words once you're done typing it. Next, I'm going to add my to-do list and name it my preparation list. So to do that, you can go ahead and add up your headings and then type on slash and enter the board view because that is the view that I prefer for my to-do list. And then over here, I'm just going to type in some of the things that I will need to do. And if you choose the board view, you're going to see that there is three different board that you're going to get, which is the basic one and then the in progress one as well as the complete one. So this board is going to be very helpful for you to keep on track on what you're doing. If it's in progress, you can go ahead and move your task to the in progress one, and if it's completed, you can go ahead and move it to the complete one. Once we're done, we're going to setting on how the project gallery view will looks like. So I prefer the gallery view to show the cover pictures of what I'm doing. So I'm going to go ahead and add the cover pictures for the painting page, and I'm going to go to Unsplash and type out painting. Once we set up our cover photo, we're going to go back to the project gallery view, and then we're going to click on these triple dots over here, click on layout, and then you can click on the card preview, and you can choose on which preview would you want. I prefer to see the page cover, so I'm going to go ahead and choose that, and this is how my project's gallery view will look like. Next, we're going to create another page for our task manager, and that page is going to be a tasks page. If you remember, I've created a task inside of my project earlier, and this one is going to be related to it. So I'm going to go ahead and add up a new table database, but the data that I'm going to insert is going to be based on the task that we've already created earlier. So to do that, instead of clicking on add new database, you can click on the task database that we've already created earlier. So it's going to show us the task that we need to do, only in different layout. So here it's showing me the data from the task database that we've already created in the form of board, but this one shows in the form of table. Everything that we've created earlier shows right here, and that is how you can link one page to another. And if you want to see whether the data right here is true or not, you can just go ahead and click on view database if you feel like it. As you can see now, we can see the original database. Now we're going to go back to our tasks page, and we're going to create a new template so that every time we add a new task, it's going to have the same default template with the other tasks that we've created earlier. So to do that, you can click on the arrow besides the new button and then click on new template. And here you can start and create the templates to however you like. Maybe you want to set the date for the specific task to the date where you created that task, or maybe you will want to add some more property. Feel free to do that. I'm going to leave it as it is for now. So you will see that if you click on the new button, you're going to have to choose whether you want to insert the empty templates or the task template that we've created earlier. Now, to set the template that you've created as a default, you can go ahead and click on the arrow button, click on the triple dot besides the template, and click use as default. Now, every time you click on the new button, it's going to automatically add in the templates that you created earlier. Now, if you already created some database and you would like that specific database to show on, let's say, your dashboard, all you have to do is just type in slash and then type the linked view database, and then you can choose on the database that you would like to show. For example, right here, I type in slash and linked database, and then I also choose the project as my database to be shown right here. As well as the task one, you can see I type in link database, and then I choose the task to-do list that I've already created earlier. And that is how you can manage your task and project with Notion. I hope this tutorial is helpful for you. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day.